to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera not focusing on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix this problem, so for stop camera app, click on OK. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4-dot icon and click on this settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on reset setting. Again tap on reset. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.